Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see how to connect Tosca to your GitHub. As a prerequisite, we need to have a GitHub repository. It can be trial as well. Then from the GitHub side, we need a personalized access token PAT, which can be get from going to your profile, then settings, then developer settings, and this is your personal access token. It can be classic token as well as fine grain. Anything should work. So I have taken the fine grain token. The second thing, from the Tosca side, you need to have a multi-user repository. This is this one, multi-user workspace. Then if you go to the project and then go to option, you need to have your version integration enabled. If it is disabled, please check this and then restart your machine to get it enabled. So click on OK. And then click on your root. You need to check out all your project from the project root. Once we have checked out our project, we need to right click and then we select the option connected to the GitHub repository. Once we click on, it will ask us for the URL. So the URL should be your GitHub until your project name. This is my URL. It will end up with .git. So if you open the Tosca manual, you should be able to see this is the basic format of your GitHub URL. So it should be end up with .git. If I click on OK, it should then ask me for my PAT, personal access token. Click on OK. It should then ask me about my which branch which I should be able to merge. Okay, I have two branches. One is my main and then one is the Tosca versioning. If I click on here and then click on select. Okay. Yeah, I should be able to get these two additional parameters, which is versioning branch and then versioning URL upon the successful integration of my Git repository to the GitHub. And then as soon as you perform a check-in all operation, it should give you an additional pop-up. It should be which is indicating our initial commitment to the GitHub repository that we have just integrated us. And that was it. This is the integration. Thank you very much.